Experience frothing at home like never before with the Milk Boss Frother. You can now enjoy your favorite coffee recipes together with creamy and delicious froth in seconds. This reliable tool can whip up the richest velvety froth to add that professional finish to your coffee. Latte, cappuccino, matcha, hot chocolate, and more. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful motor and unique stand. Powered by 2AA batteries and constructed with premium quality stainless steel. Designed with a sleek nylon body along with an easy on-off button for optimal convenience. Powerful titanium motor rotates at 13,000 RPM for quick and foamy froth. The package includes a unique new and improved stand for easy removal and storage. Number 2. Cleans in seconds. Cleanup takes only a few seconds. After frothing, simply place the stainless steel whisk under running water while pulsing a few times and done. Place your frother back on its stand and it's ready for use. This simple, convenient all-around frother is perfect for coffee enthusiasts and professionals. Number 3. The perfect tool for coffee lovers. No need to make a trip to your favorite coffee shop. You can now create mouth-watering froth right at the comfort of your home. This frother is an affordable and cost-effective solution to your coffee needs. Number 4. No hassle. Milk Boss Guarantee. Our Milk Boss Frother is backed up with a lifetime guarantee. We ensure only the highest degree of quality for our customers and have the confidence that our products will last. If issues occur, simply reach out to us and we will make it right. Order now and expect top-notch quality with Milk Boss today. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.